Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. Oneplus is planning to launch series of smartphones on May 2019. Oneplus CEO Pete Lau has started teasing their flagship smartphone series on Twitter. The tweet mentions that these smartphones won't just be fast, it will also be smooth, with 3 O's in the middle denoting the launch of 3 new OnePlus flagship smartphones, the OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7 Pro 5G model. The OnePlus 7 will be an exact replica of OnePlus 60 with improved processor and camera. The device will be powered by a flagship processor from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 855, backed by 6 or 8 GB of RAM. OnePlus 7 will feature a dual rear camera setup with primary sensor being a 48MP Sony IMX586 backed by a secondary wide-angle sensor. Rest of the specs will remain similar to OnePlus 60. As OnePlus 7 is an exact replica of OnePlus 60, I feel OnePlus should keep the price same as OnePlus 60 so that they won't piss off so many OnePlus fans. The OnePlus 7 Pro will be the true flagship offering from OnePlus, featuring a curved QHD display, pop-up selfie camera and triple rear camera. The 5-second teaser from OnePlus confirms the rumors, as you can clearly see the curved display on the teaser. Popular case maker Elixir leaked the OnePlus 7 Pro, giving a clear look of the device in all directions. The device will feature a 6.5-inch Quad HD Plus Full U display, that means no notch or punch hole. OnePlus decided to up their game by adding faster 90Hz refresh rate screen on their devices. The faster refresh rate screen will definitely be an added bonus for gamers. The 7 Pro will also be powered by the powerful Snapdragon 855 processor. The base variant will have 8GB RAM and OnePlus may offer a 10GB RAM model with 256GB internal storage. OnePlus 7 Pro will feature a triple rear camera setup at the back. The primary sensor will be a 48MP Sony IMX586 sensor backed by a 16MP wide-angle lens and 8MP telephoto lens. To me, that setup right there is a killer combo for a flagship smartphone. OnePlus also decided to go pro in all aspects including the battery. The OnePlus 7 Pro will include a bigger 4000mAh battery with 30W warp charging support. OnePlus have also included stereo speakers and USB 3.1 in OnePlus 7 Pro. Now let's talk about the features that OnePlus 7 series smartphone might miss. The 2 features that we will be missing in OnePlus 7 series is the headphone jack and wireless charging. Now let's talk about the OnePlus 7 Pro 5G model. As the name suggests, OnePlus 7 Pro 5G model will include 5G support and may have 12GB RAM and 512GB storage option. That's the main difference between the OnePlus 7 Pro and 7 Pro 5G model. Given the specs and features, you can expect a pro price for the OnePlus 7 series smartphones. The expected price of OnePlus 7 base variant will be around $570. Rumors suggest that OnePlus 7 Pro will start from $699 for the base variant, whereas the 7 Pro 5G variant might start from $799 for the base variant. We do not know the exact launch details of OnePlus 7 series smartphones, but a popular tipster, Ishan Agarwal, claims OnePlus will launch the flagship OnePlus 7 series smartphones on May 14, 2019. What worries me the most about OnePlus 7 series smartphones is the price. I feel OnePlus should price their phones quite aggressively to compete in the flagship smartphone market. Let's assume you guys had a chance to rate the OnePlus 7 series smartphones. What will be the price of each model? Share your thoughts on the comment section. Hope you guys like this video. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech and gaming videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.